What's up, team Fullest? This is again Amy Fullest. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I want to come and share with you guys some product that I picked up from a store called named TK Maxx. If you guys live in Holland, this is a new store in the area where I live. Not in my city, but the next city to me, like few city ahead, like 20 minutes with the train from my city to there. This is a new store that I've been really going there right now to pick a whole bunch of stuff. I show you guys the products I did a review of last couple of days ago. I also pick it up from this store, and this store you kind of meet a lot of things there, not only clothes but like really accessories, shoes, hair products. So I have been seeing some product there which I have been seeing on YouTube for a pretty long time, and I never really had the chance to pick it up in the store to try it out. And I saw it in this store and I thought, you know what, let me pick it up. I can try it on my own hair, I can try it on my kids' hair. So I thought, let me pick it up. So today I want to come and show you guys this product that I picked up from the store called named TK Maxx. I pick up this shampoo and conditioner. These are retails for €3 each. This shampoo costs, the conditioner costs €3 and the shampoo costs €3. And this is what the product look like. For me right now, I have been saying, you know what, if I go to the store on TK Maxx and I see something nice there, I'm just gonna pick it up and just try it instead of going to the normal store and buy stuff. So if I go there, I see a nice conditioner and shampoo, I'll just pick it up. I'm not really into that right now in that process where I'm like, I'm just using one product and that's it. I'm just trying different things, to be honest. If I see something nice and I want to pick it up, I'll pick it up. So I have the shampoo and the conditioner and the shampoo here. I can try this on my own hair, I can try this on the kid's hair, and this is biologisch, and this is for together is €6 I pay for this, which of course is more expensive than that in the store, and which I really like, and it smells pretty nice. The smell is very beautiful, has some really nice smell. This is just a normal shampoo, and this is what it looks like. It looks like this one. So I pick up this too, and then I haven't seen some review on this product on YouTube now for a long time. I've never really had the time to lay my hands on this product to try it out. This is the product I'm talking about. I picked this up also at TK Maxx. I picked this up for €12. As you guys can see, this is big. The container is big. As you guys can see, this is also a shampoo, and this is a deep cleansing shampoo, and I really like it. I've seen a lot of great reviews on this on YouTube, so that's the reason why I decided to pick it up and give it a try. This is huge. This is like huge. This was the only one they have there. They didn't have the conditioner. I hope to find the conditioner of this shampoo, but they didn't have it there, so I pick only the shampoo up, so you guys can see. And then what else do I pick? I pick up the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil styling lotion. I picked this up as well. I picked this up for €6. And guys, these things are brand new. They're not opened, they are not touched, it's just brand new. I picked this up actually for my daughter's hair, for the girls. You guys know I have 2 daughters. For my daughter's hair, just to give it a try on their hair. This is actually not for me, but I can definitely also use it because I'm planning to relax my hair again, so I can definitely go ahead and give this a try. I've already bought the relaxer, guys. I have not yet relaxed my hair, but I've already bought the relaxer, so in case I am tempted to kind of relax this hair, I'll definitely do that. But for now, I'm kind of okay with the way my hair is looking, but I just bought the relaxer and put it down because I'm planning to relax my hair. So I picked this up for €6 also at the TK Maxx, which I'm really happy. I can't wait to try this and see how it looks. And I also pick up the Shea Moisture also. This is their shampoo. This is their shampoo, and this is also their styling gel, styling cream gel, and I picked this up as well. This one also retails for $6.99, and this is €7, goes as the shampoo as well. Normally this retails for €12 in the store, but no, more than that, but now it retails for this price. And this product, they are all brand new. They are all brand new. They are all sealed. They are not opened. So I have never really tried the Shea Moisture product, honestly speaking, because it's where they sell it, the store where they sell the hair products in the city that I always go to is far away from where I normally get all of my other stuff. So I never really take the time to go down there. Only if I actually need something very badly, that's the time I will go down there, but I've never really taken the time to go down there. So that's the reason why I've never really tried the Shea Moisture product. But going to the TK Maxx and seeing all this product lying down there for this cheap, not like super cheap, but like very cheap compared to what you pay for it in the store, I thought this is nice. So now I have like a decent amount of shampoo in the house. I don't really need to buy shampoo. I don't really wash my hair every single day, and I don't really wash my kids' hair every single day, but sometimes I do, especially my hair, that my hair is short right now. I do use a lot of deep conditioner in my hair, honestly speaking. I do use a lot. You guys can see my hair is growing. My hair is 5 months. So I do use a lot of conditioner, a lot of deep conditioner in my hair, just to keep my hair moist, you know, and a lot of cream. So this one, I'm definitely going to try this styling gel on my daughter's hair, because she have more like the hair is more on the 3A, 3B, something like that. She have more like a looser curl. So I'm going to try on her hair to see how this one looks, and also this styling lotion to see how it looks. So I just want to come here and show you guys the product I picked up, and they're really affordable. To get all of this stuff at the TK Maxx for this amount of price is crazy. Actually, this shampoo, this is big. This bottle is big, and this is such a great shampoo. I've seen some great reviews on it, and I'm super excited that I could actually lay my hands on it, and it smells beautiful. I haven't opened it yet. Let's open it and see how it smells. I haven't opened it. Oh, it smells like a minty. It have this mint smell, like really minty, you know. It has like this minty smell. I don't know, it's like a deep cleansing shampoo, so it's gonna clean the hair very well, and which of course I really like, especially for the girls. The girls, sometimes when you style their hair, you have all of these products in there, and then you have like the product build up, and something like this is very good to clean their hair. So I just want to come and show you guys all of this. So if you guys are watching my videos, if you guys are from the Netherlands, you guys live in the Netherlands, check out the TK Maxx, and you guys may find some really great product there. I've been going there now. I've been buying a lot of stuff there. I've been buying clothes there for the kids. Like, they really have some really nice stuff. Sometimes you go there, you meet some really cool designer stuff. Like, I'm not really into designer or something like that. I just wear what fits me. But the kids are crazy, especially my son. He's like, you know, all about that. Like, this is, he knows a lot of stuff, all the designer that I do. So I've been going there to pick a lot of stuff there for him, and also for myself and for the girls. So I'm really happy to come across this product and pick it up. So for me now, as long as the TK Maxx is opening, I'm not really going to the hair store to buy hair product anymore. I'm just going to be watching whatever they have there, and I pick it up, because I just want my hair to be like a natural. I don't want it to be like a stress. I don't want it to be a stress on me, where like, oh, okay, you have to use this product, you have to use this product, you have to buy. No, I just want it to be free. Use whatever I feel like using, as long as it doesn't have like harsh chemical that is going to damage my hair more than the way I'm going to be damaging it with the relaxer. Yeah, but as long as you have some really nice it has some really nice ingredients, it doesn't have a lot of chemical in it, I'm definitely gonna pick it up by the TK Maxx, because the TK Maxx has some really great stuff. So I will be definitely watching there a lot to get my hair product. Only maybe if I can't find something there, then I'll go to the hair store. But for now, we're just going to be watching at the TK Maxx because they do have some really cool stuff that I can't find at my own local beauty store in my city, which I can find there and for a cheaper price. Yo, I'm really excited. So I just want to come and share with you guys this product. If you guys live in the Netherlands or you live in whichever country you are, they have TK Maxx in your area. Go and check it out. You'll end up finding some cool stuff. You guys live in America, you guys have tried this product way before, but I am just living in the Netherlands, and sometimes we do get stuff very, very, very late. So I'm kind of happy to find a store where I can get it at a cheaper price. And yeah, I just want to come and share with you guys the stuff that I picked up. If you guys have liked this video, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. All the links will be down in the description box. This is to get Amy Fullest, and don't forget to follow me on my beauty channel at Amy Fullest Beauty. I will leave the link in the comment box for you guys. This is to get Amy Team Fullest. Hope to see you guys very soon. Peace out. Bye.